Perched high atop an oceanfront bluff on coveted Allerton Hill, this one-of-a-kind Victorian home offers a timeless blend of historic charm and modern luxury. Built in 1896 and formerly the residence of Cardinal Cushing, this gem has been lovingly and meticulously restored, offering sweeping views of Nantasket Beach and the Atlantic Ocean, from Boston Light to Minot Light, as well as Hull and Hingham harbours. The architectural highlight of this truly exceptional property is its magnificent turret, rising proudly 5 stories above ground level and providing an unmatched vantage point for an awe-inspiring 360-degree picturesque scene, capturing both sunrises and sunsets. Immerse yourself in the serene yet dynamic coastal lifestyle while enjoying the truly breathtaking scenery from every corner of this exquisite property. For more information about this one-of-a-kind residence, please contact the Gale Bell Group. We look forward to scheduling your private tour and helping you envision the extraordinary lifestyle awaiting you at 2 Bluff Rd.